Welcome to PPS USA. I'm going to take you through the website to make sure that you visited all the pages so you can understand what your clients can see at each one of the pages. And I'm going just to read through real quick on each one of the pages so you understand the services and the products that we offer. Okay, no matter what business your clients are in, PPS can save them money on their existing credit card processing, and we guarantee it. PPS is proud to offer a wide range of merchant services to support their business. In addition to credit card processing, we can also provide your business clients with ATM placement, check acceptance and guarantee, payroll, gift card, and loyalty services, cash advances, and more. Combined with exemplary service, our aim is to have PPS to become home for all their merchant needs. Okay? If your client clicks over here on solutions, they will see this page here. They will scroll down and look at the solutions that we do provide them. Okay? Why PPS? Okay, we're at this chapter here. We offer a wide range of scalable products and services that satisfy a diverse merchant base. Business owners can expand their revenue-generating opportunities by setting up a PPS merchant account to accept credit cards, debit cards, checks, gift cards, and more. With the highest approval rates in the industry and our unique ability to mitigate risk, we are able to provide merchant processing solutions to all types of businesses. PPS fosters collaborative relationships that focus on fulfilling the needs of our partners rather than on processing transactions alone. Whether you are just starting a new business or are looking to switch processors for cost or service issues, we'll be able to satisfy all of your merchant processing needs. We provide flexible and secure products and services that enable merchants across the nation to accept nearly all types of electronic payments, including major credit cards, MasterCard, Visa, American Express, Discover, and more. PIN and signature-based debit cards, electronic benefit transfers, EBT, gift card acceptance, and electronic check acceptance, web-based and e-commerce, complete online payment solutions. A proud part of Elevon, a wholly owned subsidiary of U.S. Bancorp, payment acceptance solutions for almost any application imaginable. So this gives you a wide variety of clients to call on. We'll talk a little bit about the PCI compliance. This is important nowadays because of theft and fraud along with the credit card numbers. So we talk a little bit about this here. PCI compliance, often overlooked by many merchants, the PCI payment card industry. Compliance is an extremely important aspect of the business. The focus of PCI compliance involves data security to prevent credit card numbers from being stolen from point-of-sale systems, waste disposal, and any other possible method by which cardholder information could be compromised. As cases of consumer fraud, identity theft, and security breaches continue to make the news, adherence to the payment card industry's data security standards, PCI DSS, are progressing toward ensuring security for cardholder data. And while many merchants work to meet mandated certification and validation of their systems, the technological and financial risk of non-compliance continue to burden businesses of all sizes. The fallout of non-compliance has a domino effect on your business, as the financial implications of a breach can destroy merchants of any size. You can mitigate risk by maintaining compliance and providing verification and certification as required by the industry by following the standardized PCI DSS procedures. You can protect your customers' personal data, boost customer confidence through a higher level of data security, insulate your organization from financial losses and redemption costs, maintain customer trust, and safeguard the reputation of your brand. Okay, let's scroll down a little bit here. Take stock. A framework for safeguarding sensitive data for all credit card brands. PCI applies to all aspects of acceptance environments, including retail, face-to-face, mail or telephone order, and e-commerce. Businesses of all types and sizes are impacted, so now is the time to understand what you can do to obtain PCI compliance. The question below can help you analyze your compliance needs. The first three questions are essential components in a PCI compliant environment, and when not up to date, account for the greatest opportunity for compromise. Okay, the questions are here for your business clients. Is virus protection up to date and provided by a reputable company? Are the latest software revisions such as security patches in place for the operating system? Is adequate firewall protection installed and up to date? What vendor provides your point-of-sale payment software? Has software been created internally? Does the payment application store card numbers, track data, or PIN data? How many people in your organization have access to the cardholder's data? Are passwords changed frequently, and do they differ from default passwords? Are back office procedures compliant? These include procedures such as storing paper reports, including under lock and key, and limiting personal access. Where is sensitive data stored? How many people can access it? Are mobile computing services such as laptops, PDAs, and those with wireless access also PCI compliant? We can't emphasize the urgency of this matter strong enough. Not being PCI compliant is an issue that could be critical to the ongoing existence of your business. If you're not in compliance or do not know if you are not, please contact us and we'll work with you to make sure that you are. Please contact our support staff at 310-234-2411. We can answer any questions you may have. Okay, now I've clicked on the charity page. Okay, the charity merchant program, unique charity revenue. Here we go. Charity nonprofit programs. PPS is proud to announce programs using your favorite charity nonprofit organizations that will help you and the organization make money. Discounted merchant service rates for all charity nonprofit organizations. Inform any charity or nonprofits you know that PPS offers amazing rates and that their transition to PPS is guaranteed to be quick, easy, seamless, and fulfilling. Support your favorite charity or nonprofit by creating a Donate Now button on your website. Every time one of your customers pays you with a credit card, a percentage of all credit card processing fees are put aside for your favorite charity. Keep in mind that you are already paying credit card processing fees, so this does not come out of your pocket. In fact, we will even reduce the fees that you are currently paying when signing with PPS. Add a Donate Now button to your website to show your customers that you support a charity. No cost to you. In fact, we'll save you money on your merchant account with PPS. 25% of all revenue generated from your account plus 100% of all donations from the Donate Now button will go monthly to the charity. Charity Nonprofit Referral Program. PPS has designed a revolutionary way for you to earn some extra money and for charity nonprofit organizations you know to earn some too. We'll custom design for you flyers, emails, and scripts so that the charity nonprofit organization you can solicit their own donor list to open merchant accounts with PPS. We will save money for each merchant who signs with PPS and pay 25% of the profits generated monthly to the charity or the nonprofit organization directly. This is quick, easy, and seamless. Fill out the information below. A PPS associate will contact you within 24 hours to collect necessary info and answer any questions you may have. We'll send you the application to sign so you can send it back and the job is done. And then the charity, the nonprofit, will fill in this information down here and then they will submit it. And you can call on charities and build your base of business very big with just the nonprofits and the charities throughout the United States. Okay, now we're at the partners page. When your business client comes to our website and clicks on processing, they'll come to this page. It'll show them that we work with Elevon. Elevon is a leading global provider of merchant acquiring services, providing integrated payment processing for more than 1 million merchants through relationships with financial institutions, associations, MSPs, and other channel partners. Elevon sets new standards in connectivity, convenience, reliability, security, and innovation. PPS is proud to offer Elevon to our merchants. We're also proud to maintain an A rating with the Better Business Bureau. Okay, this is the page when they click on processing. Now, if they click on the Work With Us, they will see this page here that's coming up, and we'll go to that page, okay? So here's the Work With Us page. Okay, if you're looking for a way to acquire an excellent income or to find an additional income stream to help springboard your way to financial freedom, this is the perfect business for you. You will receive unlimited support from our team, including in-office and field support to help you achieve your goals. Over time, you'll generate referrals and continue to build your income. Our mission is to make you successful. We offer the best revenue splits in the industry, freedom and flexibility to work independently, full training and support, part-time and full-time opportunities, lifetime profit-sharing plan. Actually, the sky is the limit. If you're hardworking with a professional work ethic, We're serious about earning an average, if you're serious about earning an above average income, we want to hear from you. So please send us your resume in confidence to resume@ppsusa.com. Or you can come to our website and you can apply online. Okay, this is a page that anybody's going to see that comes to our website and clicks on Work with Us. Okay, so now we're going to go to referral and networking. And I think it's important that you know what's on this website and every page, because you'll be working with our company and you want to know what everybody else is seeing. Okay, you notice our banners do change also. Customer service 24/7. Okay, the charity merchant program is in the banner. We'll look at this for 1 second here. We've got our phone number at the top. We've got our point of sale solutions banner. So you know the website in and out. You know what anybody's going to see that you're talking to. There's no surprises. Okay. Now we're on the referral and networking partners page. Okay, so let's read this real quick. Do you already work with existing businesses on some level? If so, we want to talk to you. Leverage your existing relationships to generate a powerful residual stream. As a professional, you have already established trust with your clients, and they surely value your opinion. Steer them in the direction of saving significant money on their merchant fees with one of the nation's top-rated services. In return, you will have provided your clients with a new way to improve their bottom line and residual stream that you will build up over time. Bookkeepers, financial advisors, business insurance professionals, distributors, field reps are all examples of excellent complementary industries. If you'd like to talk about forming a relationship, please contact us at 310-234-2411. I'd like to make a point here. You can establish a large database of business by working with other companies such as these, and they will then bring clients under you. So the referral networking partners is a very good way to get a fast, big business build on your bit of business with us. Okay, so that was referral and networking partners. Okay, so I'm going to click on partners here under referral and networking, and we'll scroll down here. And that's where they go. And then we're going to click on support. This is the page that we'll see there. Okay, here we are. And this talks about our support. Okay, most frequently asked questions. This is kind of a long page. I will go through it as quick as I can. Okay, how is the PPS merchant service different from its competition? At PPS, our primary focus is always our customer. When our customers are successful, we're successful. As a one-stop shop for products and services, we want to surpass your expectations. PPS offers the best value in the business by combining our responsive customer service with reliable systems, competitive interchange rates, powerful products, comprehensive fraud and chargeback management systems, and flexible data delivery options. No matter what your industry, we have a solution that fits. Okay, the next question. How do I establish a retail or traditional direct marketing merchant account? There are several ways to open up an account with PPS. For all merchant accounts, you can fill out our application form, and the sales representative, which would be you, will work for you to get your account approved. Our trained account executives will work with you to get your account approved. Our trained account executive, will listen to your needs and recommend solutions to help you surpass your business objectives. Okay, I'm going to scroll down 1 second here. We'll go to the next question. Okay, once again, this is what your clients will see if they preview our website. What are the costs for your processing and other services? Because each of our customers has unique needs, our processing services are customized according to the specifics of their business. Pricing is based on factors such as type of industry, method in which payments are accepted, card types accepted, monthly volume, and number of other variables. To receive a personalized pricing quote from one of our helpful representatives, again, that would be you, you would simply need to forward us your most recent processing statement. Okay, now next question here. I want to begin accepting payments with credit cards. What kind of hardware do I need? Okay, many factors determine the kind of hardware you will need, including type of merchant account you want to establish. Is it e-commerce, retail, or direct market? The type of industry you're in, how many transactions you have a day, the type of transactions you'll be processing, how many locations your business has, etc. Once we have all of this information, we'll be better able to advise you on the type of equipment you'll need to be able to process the credit cards. Okay, the next question down here is, I already have a credit card terminal. Can I just reprogram it to work with PPS? In many cases, you may be able to use the equipment you already own. To find out, we would need to confirm your current terminal equipment and verify whether it's supported by our processor. Okay, let's scroll down to the next question, and we'll get to the top here. Okay, here we are. As a merchant, what types of credit cards can I accept? Most merchant terminals support MasterCard, Visa, American Express, Discover, Diners Club, Carte Blanche, and JCB cards. Although we can support all credit card types, our processors only have the ability to process and settlement payment to merchants for MasterCard, Visa, DC, CB, Discover, and JCB. When processing with an established Amex SE number, all transactions will be paid out directly by American Express, unless we have requested via the application to establish a new Amex SE number that is directly issued by the processor. Okay, next question. I want to start conducting transactions over the internet. Do I need to set up a new account, or can I just use my existing account? Okay, if you already have a merchant account, a separate merchant account number will be provided for your online store. You would complete a new application for the additional location to be submitted and approved. We can provide you with chain reporting so you can have both a separate and consolidated view of your company's credit card processing activity. Okay, down here to the next question. How long does it take to set up a merchant account? The time it takes to establish a merchant account depends on several factors, including completeness of the application that got submitted, accuracy of the information provided, and any required additional paperwork. Generally, if all support documentation is correct, the approval is processed between 24 and 72 business hours. After your application has been approved, we confirm an installation and training time that is conducive to your schedule. Okay, I'm going to scroll up to the next question. Okay, here we are. Will my merchant account be approved with a processing limit? Merchant accounts are approved based on actual or projected dollar volume. The processor monitors account activity and reserves the right to review accounts at any time should volume be significantly above or below the level represented on the merchant application. Why does PPS processors need to review my credit information? Okay, when you apply for a merchant account, you are essentially applying for an unsecured line of credit. When a transaction takes place, the cardholder is debited and the merchant is credited for the amount of the transaction. The cardholder still has chargeback rights. They can dispute the transaction for up to 90 days. When a cardholder initiates a chargeback with a valid reason, the funds are automatically taken from the merchant's account and credited back to the cardholder. The processor wants to ensure that each potential merchant is financially sound, has a viable business, and is operating in good faith and standing, so these disputes can be resolved with the merchant. Okay, how do I receive payment for the transaction I submit to the processor? We use the Automatic Clearinghouse, ACH. The processor will remit funds due for your MasterCard, Visa, Diners Card, Carte Blanche, and JCB transactions to your business bank account, and Amex and Discover if they are newly issued SE numbers associated with the processing account. When if you establish a service agreement with American Express and or Discover directly, these issuers will obtain your banking information and pay funds to your bank account. Okay, we'll scroll down for a second to the next one. Okay, the next question is, how can I view my account information? All of PPS's processors offer several online and offline tools to access information about your merchant account. With these tools, you can view, download, and import account information such as transaction activity, deposits, funding, chargebacks, retrievals, and statement information. When should I inform my current payment processor that I will be closing my account? You should wait until your account is set up to process your transactions through PPS's processor. Once you're ready to process with us, you should inform your previous provider to avoid any unnecessary fees. Can a merchant outside the U.S. apply for a merchant account with PPS? Yes, merchants with a legal presence in the U.S. or Canada, direct response only, can be accepted for merchant service. However, we do specialize in high-risk accounts, and we do offer offshore merchant services. What kind of training do we provide? We provide various training for our customers. We provide initial telephone training and continuing education for our merchants. You'll also receive training guides and user manuals to help you become acquainted with our products and services. In addition to initial training, we also provide you a contact reference sheet that may be helpful to you during our relationship, and we will update you on any industry-related rules and regulatory changes. Okay, we'll come up to the next question. What is check verification and do you need it? Okay, check verification is a service that provides merchants with varying degrees of insurance against bad check losses by verifying the authenticity of each check and or its presenter. Checks are verified through a national database gathered from retailers who upload bad check information. While check verification service is not required, this service does help keep your business losses to a minimum. In addition, I would also like to let you know that check service does not ensure that a cardholder's money is available. It simply verifies that the checking account is valid. To first begin accepting check service, you'll need to establish an account with Telecheck Services, as they offer variety packages that include different check service features. Once you have established an account, Telecheck will provide you with a terminal, an ID number, more commonly referred to as a TID, and that we uploaded your terminal that will allow for your merchant account to accept checks. In addition, depending on your terminal type, you may need to purchase a check reader to work in conjunction with your terminal, or you may opt for an all-inclusive terminal that will process both credit card transactions and checks. The only true way to confirm if funds are available is when a cardholder uses a debit card for purchase. Okay, what are interchange fees? Well, scroll up some more here. Okay, interchange fees. Interchange fees are transaction-related costs that the processor pays to the issuer of the card as compensation. The fees are established by merchant. Let me start over there. What are interchange fees? Interchange fees are transaction-related costs that the processor pays to the issuer of the card as compensation. These fees are established by MasterCard and Visa and are based upon how a transaction takes place and in what type of industry. An interchange fee is a term used in the payment card industry to describe a fee that a merchant's bank, the acquiring bank, pays a customer's bank, the issuing bank. When merchants accept cards using card networks such as Visa and MasterCard for purchase in a credit card transaction, the card issuing bank in a payment transaction deducts the interchange fee for the amount it pays the acquiring bank that handles a credit or debit card transaction for a merchant. The acquiring bank then pays the merchant the amount of the transaction minus both the interchange fee and an additional, usually smaller fee for the acquiring banks, or ISO, which is often referred to as a discount rate, an add-on rate, or a pass-through. Okay, what are debit cards? Debit cards at the point of sale are an alternative payment method. When goods or services are purchased with an ATM debit card, the funds are removed from the customer's checking account. In addition to the standard ATM cards, many banks also issue Visa check card and their MasterCard Master's cards and Master Money Card, both of which can be used in either an online or offline debit area. What is the difference between online debit and offline debit? The difference between these two debit choices is whether a PIN, which is personal ID number, is used at the point of sale. When a PIN is used, the transaction becomes online and funds are immediately withdrawn from the cardholder's available funds. When an offline debit transaction occurs, funds are not withdrawn until the transaction processes, usually 2 to 4 days after the sale. Debit card transactions are the fastest growing point of sale payment method today. The acceptance of this payment method continues to remain popular because customers and merchants both appreciate the convenience and ease of using debit cards to purchase merchandise and service. What are commercial cards? Okay, commercial cards are corporate business purchasing are issued to businesses as an alternative ways of financing expenses such as supplies, travel, and entertainment, often replacing purchase orders. These cards also provide users with specific reporting advantages. By using a commercial card, cardholders get itemized records of all their purchases, which simplify the reimbursement procedures and helps track expenses. This specialized reporting is possible because specific data is captured at the point of sale. MasterCard and Visa each provide issues with the ability to issue commercial card products. Merchants will always pay a higher rate for commercial cards. Okay, let's scroll up here for the next set of questions. This page is pretty long, but it's important that you know the answer to the frequently asked questions. So we need to spend some time here. What is a private label card? A private label card is a credit card issued under the name of a particular merchant organization, and merchant offers it as an incentive for cardholders to spend money at their business. Cardholders receive benefits, special discounts, deferred payment schedules, frequency points, etc. for using the private label card instead of Visa, MasterCard, or American Express. Private label cards carry the insignia of the merchant issuing the card. Okay, what is a stored value program? A stored value program allows you to offer your customers proprietary card preloaded with value for future purchases. Although there are many different applications for stored value cards, gift card, merchandise return, prepay, they all share common components. Only certain terminals offer this feature. Magnetic stripe cards, gift cards, the merchant gives the consumer an electronic stored value card in exchange for some kind of prepayment. Typically, the card includes a magnetic stripe, the merchant's name or logo, and an account number. Transaction processing, online administration. The merchant can process stored value transactions from the point of sale. These transactions are delivered to the processor's authorization system for processing in real time, which is where account balances are maintained for all cards. And then we got merchant reporting. One second here. Merchant reporting. You will receive reporting that provides information about the transactions processed during a period of time and the outstanding balances of your customers. And then we've got the question, what is electronic benefits transfer, EBT? EBT is the automation of cash or cash-like benefits through electronic authorization, data capture, and settlement processes. This is accomplished with the use of plastic magnetic stripe cards at the point-of-sale terminal. The end result is the elimination of coupon benefits distribution. The electronic process results in increased security, thereby reducing fraud and benefit misuse. The U.S. government has mandated that all federal financial support services and entitlements be dispersed through direct electronic deposits by the year 2002. I guess we're way past that. Okay, the next question. What is check processing, electronic check processing, right here? Okay, ECP, electronic check processing, is a transaction via ACH, which is the automated clearinghouse, or facsimile draft sent by a merchant to directly debit or credit a customer's checking or savings account. ECP processing is often used for recurring payments such as monthly membership fees and are available in the United States and Canada. Okay, what products and services does PPS offer? We provide comprehensive electronics that meet virtually any business need, no matter what payment type you wish to accept or in which business environment you operate. Commercial, lodging, restaurant, retail, direct response, or petroleum. Our global processing network and breadth of processing services are the most comprehensive in the industry. Providing dependable customer service is always our first priority. This means developing products and services that you tell us will help you conquer new markets, provide faster customer service, and give more options to your customer. From our powerful internet payment gateway to our flexible POS terminal options, our goal is to help you grow your business. When it comes to choosing a partner to power your payments, PPS will deliver. A broad range of solutions are down here. I am going to scroll up and we'll look at that real quick. And here we go. Our broad range of solutions include turnkey internet payment access and virtual terminal tools, full-service stored value card programs, including gift cards and electronic gift certificates, comprehensive fraud detection service, web-based reporting and data management, recurring payment programs, processing of a wide variety of payment types, including industrial currencies and electronic checks, experienced chargeback management to keep your losses to a minimum, customer service and account management, 24-hour technical support, terminal deployment, training, replacement, and repair, experienced chargeback manager to keep your losses to a minimum, 24-hour technical support, terminal deployment, training, replacement, and repair. Okay, we'll kind of scroll down just one more time here, and that'll be the end of this long page. Okay, at PPS, we operate our business with a shared belief that the better the service we provide you, the better the service you'll be able to provide your customers. Our service philosophy not only shapes our customer relationships, but it also guides our product and service development. Using our state-of-the-art technology, our electronic payment solution, and credit card processing can help your business grow. We want to work closely with you to ensure we do the best job we can to strengthen your operations. PPS is a resource on which you can rely. So whether you need to improve your back office efficiency or maximize your customer base, we can help. And because we know quality people are at the heart of any successful partnership, we've assembled a great customer service team that's dedicated to helping you achieve your business objectives with your merchant account.